Social Studies, Block 10, Northern Plain, LP 124 by teacher Shikha. In this lesson, student will understand the physical feature of the northern plains and its impact on the life of the student will first divide the northern plains to locate the river plains of India. Second, student will study the different states of the northern plain. In the third lesson, student read about the lifestyles of the people of the state of northern plains. In the fourth lesson, student do a small reading to recognize how the rivers are getting polluted through a case study of river Yamuna. The northern plains are a flat land framed by the sand and silt carried by the rivers flowing from the Himalayas. They stretch between the northern mountains and the plateaus for a distance of about 2500 kilometers from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many rivers flow through the plains. The important ones are the Satluj in the west, the Ganga in the center, and the Brahmaputra in the east. All the other rivers join these main rivers and are known as their tributaries. The main river and its tributaries flow through an area called a basin. These basins are very fertile and suitable for growing crops. There are three major basins in the northern plains: the river basins Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. The Satluj Basin, River Satluj and its tributary Bees from the Satluj Basin. These rivers flow through Punjab and Haryana and from the Punjab plains. The Ganga Basin, River Ganga and its tributaries such as Yamuna, Gomti, Son, and Kosi. From the Ganga basin, these rivers flow through Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal and form the Ganga Plains. The Brahmaputra basin, River Brahmaputra and its tributaries form the Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra does not have any major tributaries in India. It starts in Tibet and then enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. After that, it enters Assam and forms the Brahmaputra plain or the Assam plain. The sand, silt, clay, and other materials brought by rivers and deposited in the plains are called alluvium. The alluvium makes the soil fertile. Fertile soil is good for the growth of crops. The river also provide water for irrigation, drinking, and other purpose. Climate in the northern plains. The northern plains extend from the west to the east, so the climate is not the same in the entire area. The western plains, Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi, and central plains, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal, are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. In the eastern plains, Assam and Tripura, the winters are cool and pleasant. During the rainy season, the eastern plains get heavy rainfall, the central plains get good rainfall, but the western plains get less rainfall. Now let's talk about lifestyle of people in this region. The soil in the plains is very fertile, so most people in the plains grow crops and practice agriculture. People have eat rice and dal vegetables, milk and milk products. Punjab and Haryana. Rice, wheat, and mustard are main crops grown here. Dairy farming is also common. Main languages spoken here are Punjabi and Haryanvi. Women wear salwar kameez while men wear kurta and pajama, sometimes with turban. One of the main festivals of Punjab is Baisakhi that celebrates the harvest in mid-April. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, and pulses are the main crops grown here. The main languages spoken here are Hindi and Urdu in Uttar Pradesh, and Bhojpuri, Maithili, and Hindi in Bihar. Women wear saris while men wear kurta and pajama. The main festival are Diwali, Eid, and Holi. West Bengal. Rice and jute are the main grown here. The main language spoken is Bengali. Women wear saris while men wear kurta and dhoti. The main festival of the people is Durga Puja. Assam and Tripura. Rice, tea, jute, and fruits such as oranges and pineapples are the main crops. The main languages spoken here are Assamese in Assam and Bengali in Tripuri in Tripura. In Assam, women wear makhela, chadar, two-piece cloth and sari in Tripura. Men wear kurta and dhoti in both the states. The main festival of Assam is Bihu, which is celebrated thrice a year. First, when everyone harvests their crops. Second, to celebrate the local new year. And third, when everyone sows their crops. People celebrate and dance with joy during this time. Now I would like to talk about the pollution in the rivers, which is a very important point right now. Pollution and control of pollution is the very important point for our youth, for our kids to understand and control. The rivers of the northern plains provide us with water. The alluvium they carry make the soil fertile for growing crops. However, some of the major rivers such as Yamuna and the Ganga are getting polluted due to many human activities. They are clean where they originate in the Himalayas, but become polluted when they enter the plains. People throw waste, chemicals, and other harmful things into the rivers, which makes them polluted and unsafe for use. It is our duty to keep these rivers clean. So, children, basically, pollution is a very important point to consider. Cleaning of this holy river, the major rivers of India, is very important task right now for us to think. Children, I hope Northern Plain lesson is clear to you all, and you will read and understand this chapter again and again. Have a great day ahead, children. Thank you. Bye bye.